Do you find it difficult to add flavored powders into your water? Do you suffer from FOB? Are you tired of negatively impacting the environment? Sick of basic water bottles that don't even track your hydration? Well, we have a solution for you. The LifeFuels bottle is easy to use, good for the environment, and turns boring water into a flavorful, nutrient-packed beverage. Now, for a limited time, get the LifeFuels Welcome Pack for just $99, now through midnight on Cyber Monday.
$99?
That's right, you're saving $80. But wait, there's more. It also comes with refuel pods with up to 30 beverages each, and comes with the app that allows you to track your hydration and make custom beverages. Warning, the LifeFuels bottle will make you bend it like Beckham, make your skin glow, grant you 3 wishes, be the life of the party, get your office crush to like you, and elevate your hydration experience. All that for just $99, now through midnight on Cyber Monday. Order yours now at lifefuels.com.